Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, dito natin mapapatunayan talaga. Dito ko talaga mapapatunayan na isa sa kanila or dalawa sila ay may gusto sa isa't isa sa titigan moments ng captain. Ito tingnan natin to, the way they look at each other. Ito sabihin nyo fanservice to, for promo to, ini-interview sila, tigilan nyo ko. Okay, without further ado, let's all watch this. Go! Go, captain! Diba? Bakit naman may Hala, ang lala ni Kat. Ang lala ni Kat. Kat, ano na? Gwapong-gwapo. Ano na, Kat? Bakit ganun? Bakit naman ganun, Kat? Uy! Kat, Pilipina tayo, masisikip tayo. Wag nating ipahalata na G na G tayo for today's video. Kat, masisikip tayo. Kat, masisikip tayo. Hindi pwede ang ganyan, Kat. Sinasabi ko sa iyo, ang lala ni Katumitik. Ang lala kasi ni Katumitik. May palit-bite pa kasi si Kat talaga for today's video. O walang mga fans na nakatingin dyan. Ini-interview yan sila, dear ng press. Kaya tigilan niyo ako. Tigilan niyo ako. Diba? Okay. Ang lala. Ang lala. Ang lala. Hindi ko kaya. Hindi ko kaya. Basta ako kinikilig pa ako Bahala kayo dyan. Kung anong iisipin nyo sa reaction ko. Ito din ang isa. Sige, magantihan kayo ng titigan. Charis. Go! Sige lang! Magantihan kayo for today's video. Wala tayong magagawa dyan kung yan yung mga gusto nyo. Anong gagawin natin? Dear, ang lala nila. Ang lala nila. Oh my God! God! Alam mo yan, Charis. Okay. Grabe yung titigan talaga nila, be. Their titigan never disappoints. Ay, hindi ko pa ito napanood. Never ko pa ito napanood here. Ay, grabe yung titigan. So, paano mo masasabi yan? Dear, ang lambot-lambot nila for today's video. And where we want to go, na. Paano natin yung masasabi? Jeez. Ay, ang ganda ng kanta. Mahalin mo ko. Nice kong matupad. I love that. Oh no, I'm falling in love. Jeez, I love the song. I love the song. Okay, what's next? Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay. And if I never knew. Diyos ko! Ang lala! Ano to? Full video ba to? Ay, parang naka-loop lang siya. Ay,
Beforehand.
ito yung Alden, their first hello.
Parang mas ahead lang yung age ko ng konti kay Kat. Medyo may group kasi before.
Ay, grabe si Kat, oh.
Ng GMA and then team
May-
ng ABS. We had a common phone.
May grupo-grupo.
Then we shot all together. Tapos ever since then, nagkikita-kita na rin kami sa events. But just hi, hello. Hi,
Just hi, hello.
Yung talag... Just wait.
Ay, hello lang pala talaga sila.
Beso lang, parang ganun. Pero the first time talaga was, yung talagang nakausap ko and I had a longer time with her was when Hello, Love, Goodbye was brought to the table. And dito yun sa may,
Oh.
in front of a
Ay, alam na alam ni Kat. Bakit mo alam? Tandang-tanda ni Kat. Tandang-tanda ko pa na panong-panang hapon. Ay, tama ba yun?
Sobrang gaan lang. I mean,
Tama ba yun? Tandang-tanda ko pa ng panalahong panang
kang
ano?
kailangan mong
Eme.
for you to be able to be close with.
Okay.
Working with her right now, especially in this project, with everything that has happened in the past years, I saw how Kath has grown and has matured, become the lady that she is right now.
Okay. I love it. Ay,
Ano yan?
the lady that she has right now.
Nam,
Hindi mo kaya.
Anything. As in,
Hindi mo kaya.
if there's something na nagkakasundo kami, it's always food. But
dinadala mo siya ng food?
Kahit ako ba?
Si Alden.
dinadala niya ako ng food.
Ay,
Sikat. Tapos,
Basta may pagkain na
naku, pinadalhan ng food.
ano kami, basta may food na unang pagdating namin sa set, food agad yung hahanapin namin. And parang right now, nakakatawa how both of us has grown already from the first movie, now working again for this film, has been, an opportunity of a lifetime. Kasi who would know, di ba? Parang 5 years has passed. Who would have known na magkakaroon ulit ng sequel yung Hello, Love, Goodbye. And right now, we're very happy with the film. Excited kaming mapanood nila to. And we're just very excited and blessed to have this film to be shown all over the world.
Thanks, Alden. Do you remember, Kat, the first time you said hello to him?
I think yung official hello namin was the one in front of ABS.
It's better
Yung
ABS.
formally, na-introduce kami. Tapos, naka-tuck-in pa siya.
Parang floral now, black and white polo shirt na ang taba-taba, direct.
Tama.
Oo, naka-floral daw.
Tama.
Yung picture, ito
Parang,
na po.
parang mayor. Tito, yung tito.
Yeah, yun yung first. Nagkakilala kami. Tapos, my first impression, I think he was very approachable. Kasi 'di ba usually may normal awkwardness naman every time you meet someone na bago.
Ngayon ko lang ito napanood.
Kaibang network kayo, ganyan.
True.
But siguro nung una pa lang hindi ko na-feel yun. Hindi naman yung instantly chumika na ako agad sa kanya kasi shy girl din ako noon. But I think hindi ako nag-hesitant masyado. Parang wala yung hesitancy because alam ko na I can talk to him. Especially siguro ngayon, like through the years, after Hello, Love, Goodbye, and then we were able to maintain the friendship, and then we did this. Now, I think it's safe to say that the big change that happened was the friendship. Definitely. Like before, may mga hindi kami pwede pag-usapan na bagay, about life, about random things. And now, it's just so easy to talk to this guy. Like, pwede ko siya pag-usapan namin about yung pinaka-random na may isip mo. And kung gusto mo din ng serious conversation, you can talk to him.
True. Ay, serious conversation. I love the serious conversation.
It's a good foundation of the friendship, the time, the trust is there. And,
Ngayon ko lang ito napanood.
so, siguro, yun yung
I
appreciate.
love it.
Know each other more this time.
Ay, tapos na? Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video, which is the Cat Den Titigan Moments. I love the Titigan Moments. This is KJ of Avellino Vlogs, and see you on my next vlog. Bye!